Hey, welcome to KongdoleProduction channel. We're engineers and filmmakers from South Korea. We make awesome toys, extremely useful devices, and we're working prototypes from games and movies. Let me show our recent works. This adorable useless box, a terribly cooking robotic arm, a mind-blowing cryptocurrency AI speaker are all our masterpieces. Let me introduce our workshop. Hey, what's up, bro?
Yo, man! Yeah! So, this is our workshop. We use 3D printers, electronics including Arduino, and mechanical components such as gears, motors, servos, and so on. So, if you like DIYs, a student majoring in engineering, or someone interested in these geek stuffs, this channel is just for you. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get our newest works as soon as possible.
We're working hard to post videos every Thursday. But you know, 2 guys doing engineering, it's a big deal. If you want to help us, please visit our Patreon page. You can support us monthly and we'll give you a nice reward in return. So, are you ready to fall into the world of engineering? Then let's get started.